Screen Guard. Stainless steel security doors and screens from Classic Security.
Welcome, big fella. Okay, hometown, it's amazing how things sometimes play out for you. Alright, great opportunity for you, so Maisie, Rick, all the backs, make sure you look after him, get him organised. Alright, let's pump him up, boys. Send him do something good, let him know.
Hang on, how do I know it's going? Oh, recording's on. Oh, myself, baby, please believe me. Hey, that's wicked. Just know me, yeah, yeah. So sure. Oh, trick shot, trick shot. AJ comes in, strikes it well, swings right, 7-point play, not the right one there.
So we got 5 contestants who are
Look, 2 goals, 1 kick by me, 1 behind to go straight to the depth. Take that away. Yeah, I know, but take that away because that's the stuff. That's stuff. Yeah, the ones that they got at the back, like, the Walter's brilliant, so that was just fucking sick goal.
And the second thing I found was probably, like, they actually got a lot of inside 50s.
keep at that. And don't get frustrated or ignore the scoreboard. Yeah. Ignore the scoreboard because the game is actually looking good.
Okay. Just be agreeable.
Straight out, gentlemen.
Oh no.
Good boys, how good is this?
Let's just chip away, boys. I'm just saying,
Yeah, you're mine too. Plenty of plastics in.
I just took the pages out.
It's always about how we're going to reach our full potential as the year goes on. I think you would have felt today some stuff that's pretty powerful in the way that we're playing, right? And clearly, there's things that we can continue to get better at. Okay, but if I asked you here on the field, so we're always winning, stuff we always do.
I love how when we were challenged, we showed a response. We really fought back.
We stayed just really present, focused on the things we need to get better at. We're very process orientated. Right, and this is about continuing to reach our potential. I keep saying it, right at the starting gates. Alright, so fucking well done. It's great preparation, great pre-season. First time this group's been together, playing together as one.